So you're here because you want the fastest and safest way to buy Cardano, right? Well, in this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to buy Cardano in 5 minutes. So you can click on a link in the description or type this into your browser. It will take you to the correct Binance sign up page to get you started if you don't have an account yet. Once you have finished going through the sign up process and have added your two-factor authentication, you'll then have to verify your personal details before you are able to buy any crypto assets, including Cardano, with your fiat currency, if that's what you intend to do. However, if you just want to trade some Bitcoin or other currencies, then you won't need to verify your personal details. So you can see here from the verification page, there's a basic, intermediate, and advanced. Different countries have different limits for each of the tiers, but to verify, you will require to have either your passport or ID card, a picture of you, and also facial verification. So as you can see from the steps, it's fairly simple and straightforward to do. And once you have done that, you're ready to go and purchase your Cardano. There are two ways of buying Cardano on Binance. The first method is really quick and easy, but it'll cost you more on the fees. But for the second method, it'll take a little bit longer, but it will save you a big amount on the fees that you have to pay. So it's up to you which method you want to choose, but I'm going to walk you through the two methods step by step now. The first method is to go to buy crypto and click on credit/debit card. This will take you to a page where you can choose the asset you want to sell and the asset that you want to buy. So in this case, I will be using US dollars to sell, but I want to buy Cardano instead of Bitcoin. So I'm going to click here and type in ADA, which is the ticker for Cardano. Click on that. And now you can think of buying Cardano in two ways. How many Cardano coins you want, or how many dollars of Cardano do you want? So if I want $100 worth of Cardano, I just type that in. Or if I want 100 Cardano coins, then I just type in 100 here, and it will show me that it's going to cost $173.70. So if I'm happy with that, then I just click on continue. And it would take me to the page where I would fill out my credit card details. Quick note is that you won't be able to access this page unless you have fully verified your personal information. So make sure you get that done and get approved by Binance. Okay, now I'm going to click on add new card. Now I've added my debit card in successfully and I'm ready to click on continue. And this will take you to the final step where it will show you how many Cardano you will receive, the fees it will cost you, and the total amount you're going to spend. So you can see here, based on this transaction, the fees is over 2%, which is quite high already, but can go up as high as 3.5% if you're using this payment of the debit or credit card. So even though the fees are quite high, if you're only purchasing a few $100s worth of Cardano, then I think you still should use this method, as you're only paying a few more dollars, but you're saving a lot on time for the convenience. However, if you're planning on spending thousands or hundreds of thousands of dollars on purchasing crypto assets, then I definitely recommend you take the next option, as it will save you a lot in fees. And if you're wondering how much, you can see here from the fee schedule, this method will reduce your fees to around 0.075%. This is around 4 to 5 times cheaper than the first method, and it can really add up if you're purchasing a lot of crypto. Here's a quick question for you. What percentage of your portfolio do you plan on holding in Cardano, and why? Let me know in the comment section below. So to purchase Cardano with this second method, we'll go to buy crypto and click on bank deposit. And then you would select your currency. I'm choosing US dollar, but you can choose other currencies like the Australian dollar or the euro. And now we can see here, there's no fees. It's $0 to deposit your fiat currency into Binance. And now we can click on continue, enter in the amount you want to deposit, click on continue again, and click on confirm. Now you have to access and log into your own bank account to be able to transfer your money into Binance. And these are the account credentials that you'll need to enter in on your transfer. And what I recommend you do is to click here on each of these boxes to make sure you copy exactly what is required. And don't forget the reference code at the end here, so Binance can track that it's actually your transfer. Quick note here is if you deposit US dollars, it's going to be automatically converted into Binance USD, which is BUSD for short. So this is important to note for the next step. And as I mentioned to you before, it's going to take a little bit more time for your transaction to be completed. As you can see here, 2 to 4 business days, which is normal for a bank transfer anyway. So now once your funds has arrived, we would go to trade and click on convert. This is now similar to the first method, where we would select what we want to sell and what we want to buy. So what we want to sell is the Binance USD, so BUSD, and we want to buy Cardano. So you'd click here and type in ADA, click here, and I want 100 Cardano. So now we click on preview conversion, and if you're happy with this rate, then you can click on convert, and that's it. You've bought your Cardano now. But if you want a more advanced way of buying Cardano and selling Cardano, like setting buy orders below the current price or setting some take profit orders above the current price, then you'll need to use their advanced trading platform. And to do that, you would go to trade and click on advanced. So this new dashboard obviously looks a bit more complicated now, but it's not that hard and is worth learning. But I won't be going through the details in this video. If you want more information, I've done this video here that'll guide you through step by step on how to use this advanced platform on Binance. So check that out if this is something you want to learn more about. I've also made a free custom crypto trading calculator to keep track of your investments and trading profits. So check out this link in the description if you want to get access to that. If you're ready to proceed with this exchange and want to know the next step to take, then go to this video. However, if you're not happy with this exchange and are looking for an alternative, then this is the one that I recommend for you. So check it out and I'll see you over there.